Mkc Technology, Musashi no Kikai Company Limited. Taking on the limitless challenges of technical development for rapid progress. Musashi no Kikai Company Limited forms the core of the Unicom Group located in Tokyo, Japan. Established in 1959, the company began by making cellophane paper manufacturing machines and Japan's first extrusion laminator, and now manufactures cutting-edge functional film production lines, coaters, and laminators. A lot of functional materials are used in state-of-the-art device equipment. We, at Musashi no Kikai, make machines for producing such functional materials. Examples of products indispensable in our daily lives made of such materials include LCD televisions, cell phones, electric vehicles, and polarizing films, protective films, printed circuit boards, and electrodes and separator films for lithium-ion batteries used for photovoltaic power generation, as well as encapsulants and backsheets or various industrial products and packaging for food. Other businesses we are involved in include providing industrial cleaning equipment, textile and hollow fiber membrane manufacturing equipment using nylon and polyester, PSF, laser processors, ozone generators, etc., using a variety of technologies to offer new solutions. Musashi no Kikai has 6 district offices and 3 plants around the country. As a manufacturer of customized machinery, we are striving day and night in an effort to respond quickly to the needs of customers. Our machines are valued highly, not just on the Japanese market, but also by customers all over the world. Let's take a look now at Musashi no Kikai's testing machine, the multi-layer extrusion and orientation pilot machine tester. This machine can carry out a forming test on up to 3 kinds and 5 layered films or thin sheets. There are 3 extruders of 65mm, 50mm, and 40mm caliber. L by D of the 50 and 40mm caliber extruders is 29 and 33 in the 65mm caliber extruder. We have a range of screws to handle a variety of raw materials. There are 3 kinds of 5-layer feed blocks. The T-die is an 830mm wide contour die made by Extrusion Dies Industries of the US. This is combined with an X-ray thickness gauge and is automatically controlled by heat bulbs. Of course, we can carry out for-make test by means of multi-layer extruder or single-layer extruder. We can also answer to requests for polymer filters. This is a cool draw-off device. The chill roll has a length of 900mm and is used with hot and cold water up to 90 degrees centigrade. Or there is another one for use with oil up to a temperature of 150 degrees centigrade. The forming method uses a combination of a vacuum chamber and the air knife. Other methods use the air chamber or touch roll instead of an air knife. For the touch rolls, we have rubber rolls, metal rolls, and elastic nickel sleeve rolls, which also have electrostatic pinners attached to them. The maximum machine speed is 200 meters per minute. The biggest characteristic of our testing machine is that it has a longitudinal stretching device installed on the line. It can be operated with inline stretching and also offline stretching tests. The maximum stretch ratio is 10 times. There are a total of 12 rolls which drive independently of one another. The first 4 rolls are used for preheating. There are 4 stretching rolls with 2 annealing rolls which are dielectric rolls that can be heated to 150 degrees. Trimming is done by pressing and cutting with a rotary blade. The winder is 2-axis turret type, automatic winder, maximum winding diameters 500 millimeters, allowing use of 3 inches and 6 inches paper core. Our other testing machine is most probably Japan's one and only super multi-layer film manufacturing machine. It is a machine for testing the manufacturing of 3 kinds and 320 layered films, and it has been installed at the Musashi no Kikai Nagoya office. We invite you to take advantage of this machine, which helps develop new functional films. The Unicom Group, headed by Musashi no Kikai, is made up of 11 machinery corporations and 7 packaging materials corporations in Japan. The Unicom Group provides a comprehensive one-stop service for everything from buying raw materials and ingredients to providing coating machines, laminators, film manufacturing machines and printers, slitters, bag making machines, inspection machines, binding machines, robot equipment, transportation, manufacturing, and selling for packaging materials. We are continuously taking on new technological challenges in an effort to contribute towards society. Musashi no Kikai is a company formed by a group of technical experts challenging the unknown. With Mkc's technology as our founding philosophy, our wealth of experience and skills reaching back to our formative years have been passed down through the generations to the present. We have completed a small test coder and begun a project to install a large multi-purpose test coder so that we can be of greater service to customers in their quest for technological development. Musashi no Kikai is a company formed by a group of technical experts with a tradition of always taking on the challenges of new technology. We thank you very much for your kind attention.